The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through 2024 Ram TRX. So this has the short bed, and we've just installed the Retrax Pro XR bed cover. So the Pro signifying that this is the aluminum slatted version, so they're heavier, stronger tonneau cover, and the XR signifying that this has the rails on the outermost sides. So this is actually a conversion. They purchased the XR a few years ago, a while back, with the standard rails, and we ordered in the special XR rails, pulled it out, converted it all over, and put it back in. But you see here, the top cover is the exact same, and it's holding up quite well after a few years of good heavy use. So a good cover helps keep all your contents secure and out of the elements. This is our go-to tonneau cover for those who do need that extra protection in their truck bed. Anyways, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this XR cover with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. So that's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.